Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add XRP or Ripple wallet address to Trust Wallet. So in order to get it, you just have to tap on the Trust Wallet application and you just have to launch it and log in into your account. After that, tap on this circle in the top right hand corner of the screen and use the search bar and search for XRP. Once you are able to find XRP, you will notice that here are various types of networks that you can use your XRP on, like on Solana, BNB Smart Chain, etc. So, if you want to add the XRP wallet address based on BNB Smart Chain, let's suppose, so you just have to turn on the toggle button right next to it, and once it is enabled, it simply means that you have successfully added it into the Trust Wallet's homepage. If you tap on XRP, and in order to get your Ripple wallet address, you need to tap on the receive button, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you, which you can use in order to receive your XRPs into your Trust Wallet application. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.